Called Powerhouse Investments LLC, where I teach people how to trade currencies in the foreign exchange market. Now, I'm at a hotel right now, and if I stand up, y'all ain't gonna see me, so I'm kind of like with it, okay? And today what this video is going to be about is 5 things that beginner traders should know before they decide to actually start trading, or like 5 things that beginner traders should have. Actually, that's the video. 5 things that beginner traders should have before they actually decide to stop trading, because like a couple days ago, I think on Christmas, I did 10 things that beginner traders should know. So now I'm going to tell y'all what y'all should know. And now I'm going to tell y'all what y'all should have. 5 things that y'all should have. This is just a quick little video. It's New Year's Eve. I ain't really trying to go and edit a long ass video or nothing like that. And I'm pretty sure nobody's trying to watch a long video. So we just gonna make it cute, simple today. And then on Thursday, which is my next day that I'm scheduled to post a video, I might give y'all a real training. I've been talking a lot lately. So Thursday, y'all gonna get a real training. So the first thing that I feel like a new trader should have is time. So a lot of people put out a lot of YouTube content and they make it seem like trading is this easy thing. I said this in another one of my videos. Profiting from the market is easy because it's stuff like signal chats that you can buy. But I have a signal chat that you can also buy, so if you want to, hit me up. But actually learning the market, that's going to take time. And if you got a job and you got school and all this other stuff, you need time and patience to actually learn the market and become profitable. If you want to learn how to make money and trade on your own without the assistance of any signals, and you don't plan on getting a mentor. So that's the first thing. The second is capital, right? Capital. A lot of brokers, you can start a Forex account with $10. Right? I didn't start my Forex account with a lot of money. I might have started my first Forex account with $10. But the thing about that is, going back to the first one, you need time and patience to grow an account to the capital that you see. Like, a lot of people are interested in Forex because they see a lot of people buying a lot of nice things, making a lot of money. Some people be in demo accounts, right? And if they, some people be in demo accounts. But if they are really making this real life money, they have a lot of capital that they are investing into the market to make all of this type of money that y'all are attracted to and that y'all want, right? So yes, you can take a $10 account to $1,000, but the probability of that is so small, and the time frame that it would take to do that, it could literally happen in a day. It could. Now, does that mean it will happen for you? And the probability of it happening is so small, and that I don't promote that. I would say that anybody that's looking to start Forex, I feel like if you're looking to make about $100 to $200 a day, you need to start an account off with $1,000. $1,000. That's not to say that you can't start with $100. I know I probably didn't even start my first Forex account with $100. But I feel like if your goal is to make anywhere from $100 to $200 a day, you should start off with a $1,000, anywhere from $500 to $1,000, right? If you one of the people that have time and patience, you want to learn, you got the time and energy and stuff to do that, and you gonna actually be patient with the system, then start your first account with $10. Start it with $100. But if you don't do that. Don't give yourself the headache. Don't join somebody else's team and irk them because you're not making $500 a day, because you don't actually have the capital to do this, right? You don't have the capital to do it. You're going to end up getting frustrated. You're going to blow your account. If you don't know what blowing an account is, it's basically when you look at your trading account and you had $500 and now you got $1.97 left over because you did some foolish shit. So, that's that. The third thing is a computer. Now, you do not need a computer to trade. You don't need a computer to look at charts. I just found myself not liking trading on my phone. Like, not actually using a MetaTrader app, but looking at charts. I don't really like it on my phone. The screen is too small. So I would recommend that, if you're a new trader trying to figure stuff out, you either have an iPad or a laptop, because it's going to give you a bigger screen. When you're watching a lot of trainings, a lot of people are not trading on their phone when they're looking at charts. They're trading on a computer. So some of the functions that you could do on a computer, you can't actually do on a phone. So I would recommend that everybody have a computer. If you don't have access to a computer, but you still want to learn how to trade, of course you can. It's not impossible. I just think it's easier with a computer. The fourth thing that you need is books. Especially, this goes for you if you're trying to trade independently and you're not trying to like join an MLM company or anything. Books. I read a book when I was, starting out, and it was called Naked Forex, one of the best Forex books there is. You might want to research different books, but don't just rely all on YouTube videos to tell you, because a lot of YouTube videos, even maybe some of mine included, maybe some people may feel like their job is to get you, is to recruit you into their company. So they're going to give you a little bit of information. Then they're going to be like, if you want to know more, join blah, 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 right? Join blah, 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 blah. So you have to, going back to number one, you have to take the time out to read a boring ass book, especially if you're going to go the independent trader route, because it's really, really, really going to help you. It's going to give you a lot of the knowledge that a lot of people on these free YouTube videos are not going to give you. And even sometimes when you in a company that's not going to give you, you actually have to do the work yourself. You want to make the money that you're trying to make, the amount of money that you see other people making that's attracting you to learning this skill, you got to put the work in. So you're going to have to read some boring books. Like I said, one of my favorite is called Naked Forex. And I'll try to find a link to it and put it in the description box. I did a free PDF, but I know you can buy the book on Amazon as well. And the fifth tip is get a notebook. I have a notebook, and I'm at a hotel right now, so it's in my bag, but I basically take it everywhere with me. I put my goals in it. I put notes in it. I basically put my whole life in it, and I'm actually about to run out of room, but I'm going to get a new one, but I'm still going to keep the old one to look back on. But you want a notebook, and you basically want to keep all of your trading information. I put trading notes. I put notes about my team. I put everybody that joins my organization names in there. I put whoever joined my signal chat name in there. Like, I got all type of stuff in there. But getting a notebook is very important. Not taking notes on your phone and actually writing them down as a new person is very important, because you remember things off of muscle memory. Muscle memory, that's writing it down, not typing it out, writing it down over and over and over and over again. So if you really want something to stick in your brain, I would suggest that you actually write it down. Write it down. Write it down. Like, that's the most important thing. Note takers are money makers. The people that make the most money are the people that actually take the time out to write with pen and paper and don't lose their notes. So don't write on loose leaf. Get an actual notebook that's binding together. Make sure you keep up with it. I actually have 2 notebooks. Make sure you keep up with it and keep it through your whole trading career. Even when you run out of paper, keep it and look back at it, because you might have some, in the future, you might have old notes that might help you in the future. Maybe some strategy or something that you forgot about that you might want to try again. So, especially for independent traders, if you're trading on your own, looking at a bunch of YouTube videos, etc., have a notebook, write down what people are saying so that it can actually help you. Because if you're just taking notes in your phone, first of all, me personally, I don't even look back most of the time at notes in my phone unless it's something that I need to remember. Like my 5 tips, I put that, in my notes, because that's something that I'm using right now. But I'm probably never going to look back at that. It's just going to be a note that's in my phone, or like a password or something. But that's pretty much it. So thank you guys. Hope you guys are coming into the new year, joining my team, getting y'all 2020 bag. Speaking of 2020 bags, I have an app. I said this in a couple other videos, but I have an app that you basically get paid for downloading apps and playing games. I'm gonna put the link down below, but basically all you do is click on the link. When you click on the link, it's gonna open something up in your Safari. When you open it up in your Safari, it's gonna have an app that says like dial hiring. Click that app, download it. Download the apps. If you don't download the apps, you're not gonna get paid. But download the apps, play the games, get paid. Made $1,000 off of this app already in like 3 or 4 weeks. Actually like 1,200. So make sure that y'all doing that to get y'all 2020 bag up. So hopefully come join my team, join my signal chat, get a free session or whatever the case may be. And I will see you guys in 2020.